call, and I've been sailing for quite a while now, and I've come to Plas Heli to the harbour to do more sailing and get more practice on it. And I've never capsized or anything, and I've actually enjoyed capsizing for the first time. I know how to get the boat up, I know how to put the sails and everything together, and it's really fun. And at the end you get to go out on the sea and play around with the new friends. You make new friends from different places, and it's really fun. And I think more kids should come here and get more into sailing, so it becomes more popular, and you do races and capsizing and drills and stuff like that on land as well. So I give it a proper thumbs up for me.
Be wyt ti'n obeithio gael allan o heddiw felly?